Everyone. Today we are going to create customized drawing template. So for that, there are some certain processes which we have to follow. Go to the start menu and find UGNX software. In that NX you will found. Right click on that and run as an administrator. This is a crucial step you have to follow. After that, software will get opened. Certain companies have their own drafting templates, so we are going to make one today. Then click on new. I am creating the A3 template. For that I put the name as sample A3. After that, in the folder path you have to save in the C drive. Go to the C drive in Siemens. Probably this folder you will find out in program files. So I have this outside. Okay, go into Siemens NX. There is one folder, drafting folder is there. Drafting, then go to the templates. Here we have to save the file. Then okay. So I given the name and I given the folder path also. Then hit OK. After that, modeling section will get opened. You have to go to the drafting section. There are two ways to go to drafting section. Click on application and drafting, or you can use shortcut also, control shift and D. Control shift D. Then you will go to the drafting section. So here select as a standard size, don't use template any, and in the standard size use A3. After that, I always draw in first angle projection, so I am selecting first angle projection. You can select third angle also. Then hit OK. This blank sheet will appear. After that, we have to give the borders and make a name template over there. So right now, go to the drafting tools, click on border and zones. In that, these are certain settings. You can copy, which I am doing here, or you can change it as per your requirement. These are the margin from, means offset from all the edges, which I am taking it same. Hence my corner border is yet completed. Right now I have to make template over here. I already have one. Let me show you that. This kind of table I have, so we will recreate the same. Let's go to the home tab and in tabular note add the table. Here the anchor point is bottom right, so that I can put it in the corner. Click close. Then I am just putting the data over here, which I am already having. Metal, raw metal. You can increase the width by dragging the arrow. Then you can merge the cells also. Merge cells. Here in the text setting, I am putting scale and position on top center. So below that I will add image and I will put scale and everything. Alteration. Zone. Sign. Date. These are for revisions. Whenever you create the revision, you have to put in which zone you have created a revision and sign on which date you created the revision and which alteration you did. For that, these columns are there. For every drawing template, this projection is also important. In which projection you draw or you created the drawing. Dimensions are in mm unless mentioned otherwise. Replaced by there are multiple number of formats available. You can choose any of them. You can create by your own also. Just uh, take care that you have to cover all the things which are required to read the drawing. Top left plus. Okay. Title. Here you can put your company logo. Right now I don't have any, so I'm putting double A. This entire two rows for title. And in the bottom you can put your company name. Text size is generally you can take 2.5. 2.5 is readable. In the projection, I will insert the image. In the home section, you will find out that image, place a raster image. Go to that tab, select any image. I already have image of first angle projection. Okay, it inserted over here. In the selection filter, put drawing image as a selection and take it where you have to put it. It's done. Just keep the appropriate width. Right now you have to make it block. So go to the drafting tools again. Make as a define block zone, define title block. Go on that, select the table. Yes, it's already taken all the parameters which you have given over there. So here are two arrows. Let me show you how to take that. On the material tab, which should be locked. So the tabs which containing words, lock all the tabs. So at the time of putting data, it should not get disturbed or nobody can change that. After that, for specific zones or specific levels, you can take it on up, such as material. Then I will take it up as a raw material weight section. So by using this arrow, I am moving it up. So where the label line is there, I will put over there the raw material weight. Raw material weight. Apply. Such as for the all things you can give and can create the table. After that, just save your template. The second stage is remaining. Right now it's saved, but you have to add to the standard templates. Then go to your C drive. In C drive, in Siemens and UGNX, go to the drafting, go to the templates. At the bottom, you will find two packs files. Copy that files. Paste is on desktop or somewhere. Paste. In the both files, you have to add the template you just created. In right click and open packs file with Notepad. Such kind of words will appear. Then find out A3 template. Just put Ctrl F and A3. Find. They have found something. A3. Don't don't copy this size. There they have uses the master model. Go below, you will find A3 again. This palette entry you have to copy from this to that /# palette entry. Just copy, go to below, and above the palette you have to put it. Okay, after that change the name, which I had given is the sample A3, sample underscore A3. Put the same name over there. And here also, in the file name also, put the same name. Sample A3.part, and just save. File, save. Open second PAX file. Open with Notepad. Control F, find A3. Go to below, you will find A3 again. No, I think that A3, okay, you can take that. This palette entry you have to copy. In that you can put sample A3. Same for part file name, put sample A3. One thing was remaining, that this palette entry ID is D29, previous ID is D29. So here it should be D30. In the previous file also we have to insert the palette ID that was remaining. The file, save. I am opening the previous file again, only to put palette ID that was remaining. D29, D30 should be the palette ID. Then just save. Okay, the close, save your file and close your file. Then copy these both PAX files which we made changes, copy, and put in your C drive. In the C drive, in Siemens UGNX drafting templates, just replace over there. Again, after replacing PAX files, close your NX and open it again. So the changes get applied to it. Right now we will check is our template is ready or not, or it is getting added or not. I am just creating any random part. Saving it somewhere. Then go to the drafting section. Either you can click on application, click on drafting, or you can use the Control Shift D. Both the way you can go to the drafting. Then it is asking you to standard size or use template. We are going to use template which you recently created. Sample A3 is came here. Okay, then hit OK. Yes, this template is created and got added to the UGNX library also. So in this title block you can put all the values and hit OK, or you can put the values by double click on it. Hence, we successfully created a 3 template. Thanks. Stay connected to me for upcoming.